Hello everyone. In today's class, we'll study about binomial nomenclature from class 11. There are millions of plants and animals in the world. We know the plants and animals in our own area by their local names. These local names would vary from place to place, even within a country. For example, let's take an example mango. In Karnataka, we call it as mau. Okay. In Marathi, we call it as amba. In Hindi, we call it as am. So this is the local names in different state. So the common name for all is mango. So this can be understood by many countries. Hence, there is a need to standardize the naming of living organism such that a particular organism is known by the same name all over the world. This process is called nomenclature. In order to facilitate the study, number of scientists have established procedures to assign a scientific name to each known organism. This is acceptable to biologists all over the world. For plants, scientific names are based on agreed principles and criteria, which are provided in International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, that is ICBN. You may ask, how are animals named? Animal taxonomists have evolved International Code of Zoological Nomenclature ICZN. The scientific names ensures that each organism has only one name. Each name has two components, generic name and specific epithet. Generic name is also called genus. Specific epithet is also called species. So hence it has two components. That's why it is called binomial nomenclature. For example, a scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. So this Mangifera is a genus name and indica is a species name or specific epithet. Let's see universal rules of nomenclature. First one, biological names are generally in Latin and written in italics. They are Latinized or derived from Latin irrespective of their origin. So this biological name is always written in italics. Second one, the first word in a biological name represents the genus. This Mangifera is a genus, while this indica is a specific epithet or species. So the first word in a biological name represents a genus, while the second component denotes the specific epithet. Third one, both the words in a biological name, when handwritten, are separately underlined. For example, if I write in hand Mangifera indica, if it is handwritten, we have to underline separately, or printed in italics to indicate their Latin origin. So if it is handwritten, we have to underline separately. If it is printed, we have to write in italics. Fourth one, the first word denoting the genus start with capital letter, while the specific epithet start with a small letter. As you see here, Mangifera is a genus name and first letter is always should be capital letter. And the specific epithet or species, the first letter is always the word will start with small letter. So these are the universal rules of nomenclature.